Hey guys, Dave from Asset Plant Machinery. Just running you through what we do with all our capital machinery prior to dispatch. All of our capital machines get pre-commissioned by our internal workshop technicians and get checked off with a pre-commissioning checklist. So they all get powered up, filled full of oil, check tested, and then signed off here, model, serial number, etc. And then the salesperson that's actually sold the machine to the customer then comes on board and then rechecks the list. So we go through everything through hydraulics, electrical, what's been packed, and then getting it ready for safe transport. But there's a very thorough pre-commissioning checklist there that we go through. So let's just run through some of the key features. This one's been powered up, ready for pre-commissioning. I've sold this particular machine here to Hume Doors. They're starting up a steel door division there in their Melbourne division, so they've selected Asset Plant Machinery and Steelmaster to be their capital machinery supplier for their metal door division. So this is a Steelmaster 3200 by 6mm overdriven Guillotine, our flagship machine. So what we do, we go through the pre-commissioning sheet, we check it all off, we run through making sure that it all strokes properly as it does. Just check the general operations. The workshop techs have done a very thorough check. This particular one, the noise in the background, that's the rear pneumatic sheet support system. So it has arms at the back that come up to hold the sheet flat to the back gauge. So run around the machine itself. So we check all the features like auto stroke, standard stroke. When somebody breaks the guard, the light comes on with the timers, we've got lights. Just check through the general condition. We want to make sure that the customer's happy, that we'd be happy taking possession of this machine. So we wear the customer's hat just to make sure we tick off all the boxes. Come around here, so all powered up. That's the pre-commissioning power. We've got air to the machine here, so we're checking the rear sheet support system. That's the safety light gauge there. When the guards get broken, the light comes on, so we'll reset that again. And then there's your toolbox full of goodies, so all the front sheet supports and everything get packed in there, and the oil gets drained for transport. So that's generally part of our pre-commissioning. So all capital machines get pre-commissioned and fully check tested prior to dispatch Australia-wide. So jump on assetplant.com.au for the full range of engineering and metalwork machinery.